What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Treeman TV, and welcome to the newest episode of the car vlog series right here on YouTube. Now, before we jump into that, those of you with sharp eyes may have noticed, even in the last handful of videos, that the background of my set is slightly different than before. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, Treeman's Labs is gone. Welcome to the Treeman Labs 2.0. As you can tell, I moved out of my parents' house basically about a month ago, so I figure in this intro we'll make it official. This is my new home. As you can see, I got the Subi right behind me. I got some B-roll rolling right now so you guys can see the room that I live in. It's actually a garage, which is kind of weird because normally cars live in the garage, but instead I live in the garage with my gaming PC. So there's that, which is kind of funny. Yeah, it's been nice. I moved out and it allowed me to hit Diamond in Apex Legends this season, so that's always nice. Better internet leads to great things for me and my partner Rem, as always. She's still here, you know, holding it down with me. But you may be wondering, what does any of that have to do with the car vlog series that we're here for today? Well, like I said, behind me, right there in the background, you can see the Subaru. And unfortunately, it has not moved from that spot in about a week now, because last Monday when I was heading into work, my fuel pump went and just died on me. I was about a block around the corner from the house, so I had to push her back home, and that was just not a good time. And finding rides to work and home in the middle of the night, because it is now midnight as we're recording this as we're recording this intro, it's about midnight, so finding rides to and from work have not been the easiest, so I am ready to get this brand new AEM fuel pump in here. I know it says MAP right there, but that's the company that shipped it, not the brand of the fuel pump. Don't worry about that. So tomorrow, which will be in like 10 seconds your guys' time, you'll see me and Uncle Jules right out there in broad daylight ripping a fuel pump out of the trunk. That's right, the fuel pump is in the trunk. I remember that. I'm not an idiot. I wasn't going to point at the hood. It's in the trunk and should be fairly straightforward. We've already got one video. I just dropped my brand new fuel pump. Hopefully I didn't break it. We already have one video on this channel of me installing basically this exact fuel pump. I'm pretty sure this one in the box that I just dropped is just a newer version of the one that's in the car right now, which is an AEM 300 liters per hour fuel pump. So yeah, it should be a blast. Sit back, get ready to enjoy the shenanigans that come from Treeman and Julian. Let's roll that intro. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, Julian has arrived.
Oh, I was wondering where this other one went. That's funny.
That's mine. What do you mean?
Whatever.
Tell him it's mine.
Yeah, no, it's not yours.
It's fine.
You didn't have this emptied out already?
No, I was eating my McBreakfast.
Your McBreakfast.
McBreakfast. Essential to every day.
I didn't know you actually ate breakfast.
Only when you wake me up this early.
Yeah.
Otherwise, my breakfast is lunch.
Oh, okay.
You know.
Yeah, I figured you would have had this empty already.
No, you know, we'll skip that, and then we'll get that empty. Alright, so like I told you guys in the intro, the fuel pump died. Got the new fuel pump here. Here's the motor. You guys love to see the motor. I know you guys love to see it. We got all the crap out of the trunk. And now comes the fun part. I love those screws, especially the back two.
Yeah, it's a good thing that I have a small screwdriver set now.
Oh, you bought specifically good tools for this now?
Yeah.
Last time we did this, it was just a regular screwdriver, and that was terrible. You can see that video in the info card above. You know, this is the second video I'm making of changing my fuel pump.
Oh, really?
Yeah, remember we had to do this when I put the injectors in the first time?
Oh, I take it someone parked under a tree.
I mean, I used to live under a tree.
Oh, so you're just like the grumpy old troll under the tree?
I thought you were gonna say the kid from the Jungle Book, but sure, yeah. The grumpy old troll who lives under a tree.
Nice. I'm gonna run by Spencer's if he makes me a deal on the air intake. They have like a brand new Grip Speed air intake in there.
Oh, okay.
Like literally brand new. The guy looks like he like put it on, then wrecked his car.
Oh, that sucks. And you want to put it on that thing over there?
There should be no fuel pressure. Let's find out.
I would hope so.
Oh yeah, no fuel pressure at all.
That's good. Well, it's not good actually, but
I mean, good for our purposes.
Yeah.
I'm not getting sprayed in the face, so.
yeah, that's what happened last time, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, I remember that. We sprayed gas all over the trunk.
Yeah. So. Get all this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna get needle nose. Yeah, fun stuff.
Yeah, the fun stuff. Yeah, I'll show you guys Julian's car. He got this thing. It looks like my car. It's the car my car was based around. He had this before I got mine, sold it, then bought it back. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we're midway through the fun stuff. We got the compartment here in the trunk open where the fuel tank lives and the fuel pump. There's a dead spider in there. Yeah, so we gotta get the broken one out and this shiny new one in. Let's take a look at the shiny new one. Ooh, it's got stuff with it. It's got a bag and then some wires. And there is the fuel pump in all that bubble wrap.
I was gonna say, they do look different though. That one,
it's like a newer version of it.
It must be a newer version, yeah.
This one said it's even compatible with E85.
No, even it got hooks and everything. That's weird. No.
Out with the old, in with the new.
Yeah.
Does anything look off about it?
That looks off.
Holy.
That's blown. Maybe that's why you weren't getting fuel. It may still be good.
Jeez. We need a new hose.
Did it come with a new hose piece?
I don't think so. I don't see a little hose piece in here anyway. Got a bag. Yeah.
I mean, you may be able to get a refund. Or even hell, I might buy it off you. I mean, we can try.
Right.
Because that's literally probably why you weren't getting fuel. It was probably whipping it up and
Just shooting it out
just
the
shooting
side.
it right out the side. That's a fucking hole and a half.
Yeah, that definitely would explain why there's no pressure.
Yeah, at all. Okay. They really didn't sell it with the.
Yeah, no, they really didn't sell it with a little piece of hose.
Okay, that's really awkward because usually it comes with a little hose piece.
We gotta go to like AutoZone or something, huh?
Yeah, we gotta. Oh Jesus.
It's a lot of dust.
Yeah, from your car.
Why is there dust
Look,
in the...
I look like fucking LeBron James.
That's your hero.
No.
You love LeBron. Tell the
So-
people how much you love LeBron.
Let's not go there. Well, that's just definitely not go there.
Come on, you're a Lakers fan.
I said Lakers. You said Lakers fan, not LeBron fan. But literally, nephew, that may just be your issue.
Yeah, I could understand that being the issue. It's not supposed to look like that. Kids at home, not how it's supposed to look.
Yeah,
That right
that's completely blown out.
Yeah. All right, we just got back from AutoZone. We got the hose. We got the hose.
Hose.
I go, hello, hose.
Okay, we got an issue though.
What's the issue?
The other hose clamp disappeared.
Devasted it in the sauce.
What the sin is that?
What? The Powerade bottle?
Yeah.
It says transmission fluid. I'm gonna find out.
I don't.
It's not a hose clamp though, that's for sure.
Yeah, that is definitely not a hose clamp.
I don't think it came with hose clamps. Probably not, since it didn't come with a hose.
Yeah. Why would they want to do that? You know, that makes too much sense. Did it?
No, I didn't see it right there under
I was
my
gonna say,
foot.
we would have heard it. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's on the...
It just was sitting on there. It was resting on there. So.
Sometimes we're blind, it's okay.
Yeah. Alright. See if we can actually be able to get this on.
We're just gonna start by not even changing it, huh? Just change the hose.
I don't even think there's a point because once we saw that hose, I mean. Hey now, what'd I tell you, ho?
Ding damn hose clamps. You're trying to run away again. the nips in the holes?
Yep, got the nips in the holes.
Nice. It's a scientific term. Now we find out if it was just the hose or if we actually do need to install a new fuel pump. But I think it was just the hose.
99.9% sure it's the hose.
You don't want to Charles Barkley guarantee it?
I will. Well, Charles Barkley also guaranteed victory, and we see how that turned out for him.
Yeah. He guarantees a lot of things that never really happen, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He's got no rings.
Great player, just never got lucky enough.
There's luck involved in winning a championship?
Huh. I mean, depending on who you play with, yeah. I mean, look, Pippen says Jordan was overrated.
That just sounds like a lie. That just sounds like a lie.
Crank it a little bit since it probably emptied the system.
Okay. Alright, moment of truth. Well,
Keep it going.
well, he was right. Literally a minute. Alrighty, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Car Vlog series right here on Treeman TV. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like down below and also comment what you want to see in future episodes with me and Uncle Julian. And also, be sure to keep it tuned right here for more content. We've got plenty more Apex Legends videos coming to you guys. As you know, I just hit Diamond this season, so there's going to be a lot more of that coming. And of course, don't forget to head on over to twitch.tv/TreemanTV and hit the follow button so that you know when I do live streams in Apex and all kind of other games. You know, we'll be playing Call of Duty sometimes. I just got 40k Dark Tide, so I'll probably be doing streams of that soon. If I can ever get my account back from Ubisoft, we'll be doing Siege, Ghost Recon Wildlands. So you'll definitely want to subscribe here and follow on Twitch is what I'm getting at. But until next time, this is Treeman signing off. Peace.